Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is me International English Spoken Trainer and Grammar Specialist Malik Asif Baloch. I hope you all are doing well. Today I want to tell you something. Many people ask these questions, sir, how do you speak English very well? Sir, how do you improve your communication skills? Something like this. So well, first of all I want to tell you something, we are talking about spoken English, not a grammar. I think you know that there are many differences between grammar and English. So what is English? English क्या है? English is a language. English एक ज़बान है. So according to Wikipedia, there are 7,100 language in the world. Wikipedia के मुताबिक इस दुनिया में 7,100 कम पेश ज़बानें बोली जाती हैं. लेकिन English is international language. So I think you know that it's very very important. For example, if you want to go any foreign country, America, Russia, Africa, some like big countries. सो आपको वहाँ पर ओनली इंग्लिश बोलना होगा, ना कि कोई मतलब अदर लैंग्वेज, क्योंकि इंग्लिश इज़ इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज. सो इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए, इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए सबसे पहले आई थिंक यू नो दैट इफ़ यू वांट टू इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश, इफ़ यू वांट टू इम्प्रूव स्पोकन स्किल, so first of all you can try to speak with other people in English language. That's it. You can try to speak with a family member, you can try to speak with a teacher, you can try to speak with a classmate. That's it. And I mean, you have no friends, you can't speak with the society, doesn't matter, you can try to speak alone. आप अकेले बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करो. That's it. बहुत से लोग कहते हैं कि हम सोसाइटी में नहीं बोल सकते, माशरे में नहीं बोल सकते, टीचरों के सामने नहीं बोल सकते. So it doesn't matter, you can try to speak alone. आप अकेले में बोलने की कोशिश करें. आप for example, hey hi Malik, how are you dear, what's going on, simply आप इस तरीके स्टार्ट कर सकती हैं. So that's it. It's very common language. I'm sorry for that, it's not common because it is international language. My last advice is that if you want to improve your English with me, so no problem, I can guide you. First of all, you can subscribe my channel for more videos, then I will guide you. It's not a big thing. I think you know that English is very very simple language.